is the easiest way to do this is to heat it up in the microwave for 3 minutes per ear. And the silks come right off. It makes it easy.
I never knew that. You warm it up and it makes it easier for it to come off.
And I like doing this with white corn, because to me white corn is more tender. So you just cut it off the cob. Good old country fried corn. Put a little oil in your frying pan. Put the corn in.
And that's it.
A little butter, a little sugar, salt and pepper. And that's it.
Man, it snapped right off.
Mm-hmm. It does it easier when it's warm or been heated. Piece is actually hot. I like to get every little piece.
And I like
every little bit here.
And I like to eat every little piece.
This corn came from Reese's Market on 360. And it looks good. It looks nice and tender.
How many ears do you normally do?
This is 10. I normally, this is a good amount. 10 is a good amount because when I'm cooking, I eat half of it almost.
Yeah, I eat the whole pan.
The more you cook, the more you're going to eat because it's delicious. Even if the corn isn't good, you put enough sugar and butter and it's going to be good. Don't mess up something good to eat. And I like to wait for the grease to get hot. And once it get hot, not hot enough for the fried chicken, but you know it's hot. And then you just pour all that good corn over in here and stir it good. Push right on in here. Kendra and I together will eat this up before it gets to the frying pan. Then this is already been microwaved. It's gonna take long to cook it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that was nice.
You have to put butter in it?
All the grease I put in there already. It's good when it sticks to the pan, but you don't really want it to stick to the pan. Now I'm gonna turn this down. Let it cook slow.